There's a rag that's supposed to be in there.
I'm sort of right-handed, nothing left-handed. Then are we gonna go for a test drive?
Sure.
You gonna drive?
No.
It's dark, nobody will know. Hey everybody, we need to put some injectors in a semi. Whole thing's not running too sweet, needs some love. Got half of them put in and just been waiting. The others finally showed up. Got a minute, so let's see if we can go put them in. Hopefully it works as easy as it seems to be in my mind. Alrighty, well it started. Bonus. If you can't hear it, you can feel it. It's got a miss. Let's go see if we can get that out of it. The stacks either need to be shorter or the door a little bit taller, just a couple inches. So I don't want to pull them off. This is all we'll go. I guess you don't care if I use your shop. Nope. Okay.
Which ones you got to change? The back ones?
The middle and one back. Since we got half of them and not all at once, you know. Might just trip and die right here.
The charger's light. There's a rag that's supposed to be in there.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta run and get Kaisley practice real quick. Let's go see what that little fart's doing. Got me a camera girl finally. Who's on the camera?
Kaisley.
We've got some dang good help. Hopefully you can see a little bit better than with it just sitting there. Okay, we got this injector in. Before we had to leave, let's torque it down. 47 foot-pounds, Google says. So, all we can do is trust them. Maybe they know more than we know, right?
Right.
There it is. That was only halfway, so let's go right there. That should finish it off. Perfect. That's what we like. Let's pull this injector out. We popped them loose at the same time. And let's go get the new one. Did you make it down that wobbly ladder?
Yeah.
A little scary sometimes. Let's go throw this one in. We'll put that weld up the O-rings. Something's not right. What did we do wrong? Probably put it on upside down, didn't I? You didn't even tell me. Say, Dad, come on. That's a little better. Halfway. Let's go the rest of the way. Valve bridges back in. Just how they came off without getting any dirt in would help. A little heavy. Hold your breath, it helps. Set the jakes back on it. Found it. Kind of questioned myself for a minute there, Case. We're just about wrapped up. Let's try to torque those. 80 on the bolts, 60 on the nuts.
60 minutes.
My ass, keep me straight. I'm not gonna torque it with this. I'm just gonna speed the process up. What did we say?
80 on the bolt, 60 on the nuts.
Okay. So what's half of 80?
40.
That gun might have got us to 40. always start in the middle when you're torquing, squirt. Work your way out. And double check it. Everything's buttoned up but the injectors. Don't want to torque these, but not very much. They're little. We'll just fill it just a little bit. Just snug it. Hopefully that's not too much. That feels good. Someone's doing a burnout. Wonder who that was. Committed. Got it. The engine's back together. Just a few minutes, we're done. This should finish it right to the turbo. There we go. Does that look alright?
Mm-hmm.
Then are we gonna go for a test drive?
Sure.
You gonna drive?
No.
It's dark, nobody will know. You wanna drive?
No.
Come on, I'll help you. You can drive the tractor.
Tractor isn't as big as this.
That's alright. I'll shift for you. All you gotta do is steer. You can do it. See that line?
Mm-hmm.
Want it to line up. Clean to stay clean. Dirty can stay dirty. I'm not like you. I can't do anything with my left hand hardly. What do? You dribble and shoot the ball with your left?
No, I dribble with my left hand. I shoot and right with my right hand.
With your right hand. Your mom's left-handed, isn't she? I'm sort of right-handed. Nothing left-handed. I don't know which way it went. Pretty sure those were down.
On the other side, yeah, I was like that.
What was that? Okay. Okay. Let's go pump the fuel up. All those injectors, I don't know what it's even called. It's a pressured system around the injectors. So every injector got bled off right there. Alright, we're in the truck and it's running. Does it feel normal?
Yeah.
It's not shaky, rattly anymore. Oh, I hope we cured the problem. Let's get it warmed up and go for a ride. Which way should we go? Glendale or Carmel?
Let's go now.
Let's go to Glendale. Who could that be? We gotta pick something up for Mom real quick. Well, we're officially in the grocery getter. The old Peterbilt is just for picking up Mom's groceries, right? At least that's what we just did. We were almost up to speed too. It's passing the test drive so far. Should have done that a long time. We can live with that. It's got a bit more boost than it used to.
It's not rattly and shaky.
We just got picked up by the family from doing what, Kaisley?
Fixing the semi.
Taking a test drive. Did it pass or fail?
Passed.
It passed. Good morning, SJ. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.